conservation of what already exists, and through protection of biodiversity, by promoting growth of medical plants, traditional agriculture and horticulture will of course economically add to the ecotourism sector. Uttarakhand is already growing some rare herbs, and moreover, its pollution-free environment is best suited for yoga and other exercises. PJKS has taken promotion of Ayurveda in order to improve the economic and health conditions of the people of Uttarakhand.
पर्वतीय जन कल्याण संस्थान और अन्य एनजीओ की मदद से लोगों में जागरूकता आ रही है और यहाँ पे एक रिटायर्ड प्रधानाचार्य हैं, वो जड़ी बूटी उगाते हैं। हमें यदि ताजी जड़ी बूटियाँ मिलती हैं तो उसका असर भी बहुत ज़्यादा है।
The Sansthan is promoting Ayurveda from growth to manufacturing. By the promotion of Ayurveda, PJKS is not only improving health of the rural economy of the state, but also the physical health of the residents and the visitors. Parvatiya Jan Kalyan Sansthan started self-help groups for women because history is the proof that the women of Uttarakhand have become economically self-sufficient by working tirelessly in the unfriendly environment. These groups promoted not only savings but also launched microcredit programs. Microcredit programs of PJKS injected economic strength amongst the villagers. Moreover, the villagers were able to take alternate income generation programs, and the economic health of the rural community was improved much beyond expectations. Some concrete steps and determined measures taken by PJKS has brought results, and PJKS has become a torch bearer for the deprived section of the rural areas.
To rise from a very small organization to a very big organization, to start with a locally funded body to become a body which is funded by foreign agencies and central government and state government is no mean achievement.
PJKS did a wide survey and documented the research activities of the remote rural areas. It has acted as a conscious keeper by taking up many health and social issues. Parvatiya Jan Kalyan Sansthan also turned its attention towards the revival of traditional system of medicines and also training of Vaidya. Moreover, improving economic and physical health of the women has been its main concern. The social and health issues raised by PJKS and the healing touch it has given to the community is noteworthy. The women of the hills of Uttarakhand is an example of sacrifice, hard work and dedication. Their contribution as an earning member of the household, their hard work in the fields, their search for fodder and wood requires great physical fitness. The Sansthan was greatly moved by the plight of women in its project area. There was hardly any knowledge about family planning. Trained medical attendants were nowhere to be found. Most of the child deliveries were carried out by dais who were not properly trained. Parvatiya Jan Kalyan Sansthan delved on this issue and prepared a program and worked diligently towards achieving their goals. Their efforts resulted in the creation of a healthy lifestyle for women and children. As a Sansthan, they are very happy that their contribution in the field of RCH has been able to set high standards in the living condition of the women and children. The Sansthan especially organized camps for training of traditional dais. Health of women is perhaps the core issue because she heads the kitchen and toils in the field also. The Sansthan tried to find out why the females of the hills are prone to diseases. Many reasons like lack of nutritious diet and pregnancy-related diseases came into knowledge. Working in inhospitable conditions is not everyone's choice, and it requires great courage and zeal. Hills are attractive and alluring, but life in the hills is as cumbersome, arduous, and difficult as are the zigzag roads of a hilly state like Uttarakhand. The only way is to fight these problems, and Parvatiya Jan Kalyan Sansthan is a hill warrior and troubleshooter.